Naga. I'm Yvonne, and in this unit, you will learn about food and beverages.
In this unit, you will be taught expressions used to order food and beverages, expressions used to describe and talk about food and beverages, and you will be introduced to some Bidayuh traditional cuisines. So come on and let us start our gastronomical journey. Welcome to Unit 4, Lesson 1. These are some terms related to food and beverages. Repeat after me. Man, eat. Nok, drink. Now you try. To be, siok, ken, kudos, mi, ruti. Now for expressions used to order food. Aku an man. Aku means I, an means one, and man means eat. So this expression means I want to eat. Now repeat after me. I want to eat rice. Aku an man to be. I want to eat chicken. Aku an man siok. I want rice. Aku an tubi. I want to eat rice and chicken. Aku an man tubi nga siok. These are some drinks in Bidayuh. Pin, pin kupi, ju bua, ju butan. Now for expressions used to order drinks. Aku an nok. Aku means I, an means one, and nok means drink. So this expression means I want to drink. Now you try. Repeat after me. I want to drink coffee. Ako an nok pin kopi. I want coconut juice. Ako an jubutan. Repeat these expressions. Ako an man to be. Ako an man siok. Ako an man to be nga siok. Aku an jubutan. Aku an nok pin kopi. Aku an jubutan nga pin kopi.
Well done. Now, we will proceed to the next lesson, which is describing and talking about food and beverages.